Hi you guys, this week on Science, I'm going to be making slime. To make slime, we're going to need 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is going to be glue. I've got Elmer's school glue, just glue. Next you're going to need food coloring. This one's optional. This is how you make the slime a different color if you don't want your slime to be white. I'm going to be using neon purple. The third ingredient is going to be baking soda. And the last and the final and the secret ingredient to making slime is contact solution. So some people, they wear contacts, which are like little glasses that you put in your eye. Not a very common item if you don't wear contacts, but I just picked this up at Walmart for $2. So maybe you guys might have some laying around, maybe some of your grown-ups around wear contacts. Alright, I'm going to be doing this in my kitchen, and I'm going to be using a bowl, a spoon, and at one point you're going to need to pick up the slime, so I'm going to wear gloves. You don't have to. You can play with it, get dirty, and then go wash your hands, but I'm going to be using gloves. If you guys do this one at home, please make sure you have the supervision of an adult to help you with this activity. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do, or that I'm going to do, is I'm going to pour all my glue into my bowl. Alright, and I got my glue in. The next step is food coloring. I'm just going to put a couple of drops. I may put more than a couple of drops, so we'll see what it's going to look like. And then you're going to stir your glue and your food coloring, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So mine went from white school glue to purple school glue. I'm going to continue stirring it for a little bit to get all one color. Alright, next we're going to add the baking soda and we're going to add the contact solution. Alright. And when I stir it, it's going to start to form slime. Alright. Now I'm going to put my gloves on. And like I said, you guys don't need gloves. You guys can pick it right up and play around, but that step is important to get the slime to the right feeling. You gotta put it all together. It's starting to become slime. Wow. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. I have created slime. How neat is that? Well, I hope you guys get to enjoy some slime. If you guys don't, that's okay. Next time we go back, we will make slime. Next time I see you guys in the classroom during science, we will make slime. Alright? That's it for today. I'm gonna go play with my slime. You guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next week.